Shall we start?
Yes, Darshan.
Okay. Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. So this is the fifth session of this series. So first, let me tell you what we discussed in the last session. So in the last session, we discussed some conditional condition. For example, if else or if else, and also we discussed the some loops which are while and for loops. And finally, we discussed that how do we define the function in the Python using def and lambda. Okay. So today we will discuss that how we have to estimate we can estimate the maximum or minimum value for a given list, and also we will perform some mathematical task on a given numbers. Means how we can find the square root, power of a number, ceiling, floor of a number, and etc. Okay. And finally, we will discuss that how to handle a file. I mean, how to read or write any file, and also how we can delete a file. Okay. So for this one first. Okay. So the first is that how we can find a maximum or minimum value for a given list. Okay. So for example, let's say a list is given by variable like 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say this one. Okay. So I define two things, and now let's say I have to find the minimum value of a given list A. Okay, so you have to just write min and just type A, and it will give a minimum value for a given list. Okay, and similarly you can find the max value like this one. So for example, there is a variable. Okay, so now let's say we have to find a absolute value of a specified number. Then let's say the number is 65. Then you have to define just x of a.
Hello, Darshan.
Yes.
I
Yes.
think my screen is not visible.
Hmm.
You
Shares,
have not
Screen
shared
is
is
it,
it
screen
visible?
is
I
not
guess.
visible.
Oh,
Exactly. Yeah.
sorry.
I thought you were still expounding. Like,
Okay. So now I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
yep.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now let's say, okay, let me repeat again. So let's say I define a list A and B, and now our aim is to find the max value for a given list. Then we have to just use max of A, and it will give the maximum value of a given list. And similarly, if I define the min of A, then it will give a minimum value of A.
Okay.
Okay. And similarly, let's say if I want to calculate the absolute value of a given number, then let's say the number is minus 65, then just write abs of a, it will give the absolute value of the number. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, let's say I want to calculate the power of any number, then you have to define POW like this one. So power also you can define like this one. It will it will be the same answer. Yeah, same thing. Okay, so now so next let's say we want to modify some number. Yeah, we want to ceiling or floor a given number. So for this one we are going to use numpy, and to use the numpy, first import the numpy that we already discussed.
Oh, it is number Python. उसके लिए numpy
हाँ
numpy क्यों नाम लिखा हुआ है उस Okay, okay. Number Python. Okay, fine, fine.
okay. So this numpy you can also redefine this one by NP. Just
NP,
so yes. Okay. So now let's say x is equal to NP dot. Let's say we want to calculate the square root of a given number. That it will give the similarly, let's say this x is given by this one.
Uh-huh. So there is also a floor, is it? For the lower
Sorry.
one? Floor is also there for the lower one?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Yes. So these kind of mathematical operation that we are going to use.
So
in the
when you
next
say floor or ceiling, is it greater than or equal to?
Okay, let's see. Greater than, yes, it will work on the greater than like this.
Greater than or equal to? Yeah.
So ceiling will just will work on the greater than, and this one, yeah.
No, it's not. When you have x 5.0, then the ceiling is 5.0, not 6.
Yes, sir. It will give.
So greater
yes.
than or equal to, and same floor is less than or equal to.
So now let's move on the next topic, that is file handling. So now let's say first we want to write let's say we want to create a file, means text file, and in the text file we want to store our data. Okay, so this is our aim. Okay, so for this one, so first we have to import numpy. But once you import, then there is no need to import again. But for this one,
It is very important.
yes. So here you can see that I just write this file and open for the create or write any file. You have to define a open, and then you have to give a name
But
of specific file.
tell me something. Can't you just create a file? Just say new file and then put it and say dot py or something.
Shesh, your voice is breaking.
Yes.
Just a minute. So what I'm asking is, can't you just open file the normal way and just say call it .py?
So you mean here instead of text you want to define a doc file, right? Sid?
Oh,
Sorry, sis, we are not getting you.
Yeah, no.
Darshan. Darshan.
Yes, Nidhi. Yes, Nidhi.
What this command is doing exactly? It is just opening the text file that you have stored somewhere, right?
It's just opening a file. That means
No.
But it is not creating a new file in Python, right?
it's
Creating
you
is
can see on the left side.
it is
Yeah, you can see on the left side. No?
yeah. I mean, yeah. That's my point. So my file.txt already exists somewhere. You are just calling it.
No, sir. Okay, let's say this file is not. Let's say this one. Okay. So this file is not already exist, and I just run this command, and here you can see. Yes.
Okay,
हो गया?
left panel.
Left panel. But let's say if you are working in the spider, then
No, no,
this
no.
new file will be yes.
Just tell me one thing. What is the? I mean, can you just break down this command and tell me what exactly every element of this command is doing?
Okay. So this W is used for the write, means we are going to write create a text file, and this my underscore file, this one you can see this is my text
Mm-hmm.
file name,
Hmm.
and open is used for the create, read or anything. Yes.
So open
W
is
means
command collectively used for
Mm.
creating, opening,
Cre-
and
huh.
editing, right?
Read. Yes, yes.
W is the permission, right?
And W is
W
a
is
read
right.
system,
So
right?
No,
is
W
is
one.
permission to
is
write.
it
Huh.
is it something like that we can edit the file because we are writing into the file W command?
Yes, yes. Means
Okay.
okay. First, let me read a next command. Then I think you will go to the point. Yes. Yes. Let's say this. So I'm writing I mean, I want to store some text in a given text file.
And file is just the name of the, or is it
Name
a
this one.
pre
Okay.
dictionary or something? No, no,
No,
that's
no,
the
this
initial file. No, no, no,
this
no.
is.
File equal open. That file.
Oh, sorry. Equal.
Is it
Yes.
is it
It's just
is
a
it
variable. I think it's just a variable
just a
that in
variable
the.
or just some dictionary? Predefined
You.
something.
Hey, Nini, I have a doubt here.
Okay,
There are
says.
two things. One
Hmm.
called file. The other is called
Okay.
my f underscore fi dot
Hmm.
txt, which is the name of
Okay.
the file.
This one is the name of the file. Yes.
So then, why do you say? See, then where does it say that it has to write into that file?
This W
W
now
command.
says W. Only the W.
Not the right part. Write into that file. Suppose there are two files open.
Okay.
I would say that there are two files here. File
Shish,
1.txt.
Shish,
Says
your voice is again gone down, breaking down.
Nidhi,
Yes.
actually, I think W is for the writing mode, and .txt is the name of the file, and the file which is written to the left of the equal, you can write, I think, F also there. I don't think file to
anything
write
you
file.
can
Yeah, you
write.
can write anything like F equal to open.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
huh.
that was only my question. Was it just any variable
Yeah,
or
any
is it
variable.
some
Any
Huh.
variable.
predefined?
Any
Okay.
variable. Like we
But I
do in
think
C,
Shesh's question,
na, ki F equal to F open. I think I remember that in C.
yeah,
No. My point
yes,
is the
that is
following.
different.
My point
Shesh's,
is this. You have called something in fy.text. What is the role of this? If
Sish,
already the file name is AAA,
Hmm. Okay,
then what
this
is the
F.
role of this quotes में जो है myfile.txt?
okay, so Sish, the file name is not AAA.
हाँ.
The file name is what we are given in the bracket. तो जो open के आगे bracket है, that is the format, and the first part we are giving is the file name, and the after comma we are giving the mode, like we want to write or we want to read.
Yeah, okay. Permission, okay.
Yeah.
Now, then what is this AAA?
Anything just like a variable says means.
I think Shesh's question is,
Huh.
do we really need this
AAA.
AAA or
No,
any
no,
kind of
says,
variable
let's
to
say,
define?
okay, says,
It is doubly specifying it, right?
Shesh, I guess the second line defines why do we need AAA. You know, just to give the variable name and then how to utilize
Yeah.
or how to edit in which way
What
one.
I'm saying is, so there is a variable name for the file, there is a text name for the file, right?
Yes. I
Now,
think so. Yeah.
why do we require two things? No, we should specify completely now.
Huh.
Okay, sis, I think you can see this one. No? I think you are asking for this one.
It is a combination of the. I mean, just a one line.
We are just breaking a
One line
command.
thing with the.
Darshan,
No,
Yes.
my point is the following.
yeah,
Suppose I were to have a command AAA equal to open bracket W. Suppose I had such a command.
Okay.
Then it should be possible to do everything which I am doing with this without calling it my file.txt.
क्या कर रहे हो हैं?
Right?
Darshan,
Yes.
what Sish is saying na ki let's say we have a first line AAA equal to open, and he says let's do not give the text.txt command. I think, and will it still, will
I'm
there be a
saying
file?
that there is no need to define triple
Yes,
A.
there is a redundancy here.
Yeah, he
Okay,
says
sis.
either way
Okay,
it should
okay.
work if we define .txt or
I mean,
AAA.
I don't know whether the language allows it or not, but if it does not allow, don't you think this is an inefficiency in the language? That's what I mean. I'm doubly specifying something
Yeah,
that we need not.
Okay, sis, let's say in this, I think you can see this command, this one. So in this
Yes.
command, I just define the text file name, and I just store this is my text file in this given
No,
text file
I
without.
understand here it's not. Suppose a command like AAA equal to open quote W,
Okay.
it has sufficient information to say that there is a file name called AAA and I am putting it in write mode. And I say AAA dot write. I mean, this whole quote my file dot to unnecessary information.
Okay.
Fish.
Huh.
But in that case, how do we know which format the file is in? Like here we are defining is that it is a txt file, right?
Oh, okay. I understand your thing. This is, but tell me, can I have A, B, both having the same my 5 dot?
But yes.
So you mean two variables with the same file name?
You see, that's why I'm saying. Otherwise, I mean, if that was possible, then I understand Priyanka's argument that this is just to specify that it's a what kind of a file.
Okay, sis, I don't have information about this one, but let's run this one. No? I think. No?
Shesh, what happened?
Yes, Supreet?
Huh? What happened? I mean, I'm just trying to understand what's the argument about.
So, sis,
What do you
argument
think?
is that yes. No, sis, it will not work. So Supreet says is saying that let's say we define the two variable of a same file, then can we write these two variable into a single file, right? Says.
No, yaar. What I'm trying to say is, I mean, Priyanka was saying that maybe the first argument is just to specify the nature of the file, right?
It's the name of, no, it's the path to the file. It's not nature of the file. It is the path.
No, Supreet, now this is what I was saying, my point is, isn't it, I mean, nobody is specifying something. The
But
the same object is being referred to as AAA as well as myfile.txt.
No, not really. MyFile.txt is a path. It's a path to the file. Which file do you want to open? Suppose it was in C drive folder shesh, उसके अंदर folder tr folder something. You specify that there. It's a path.
No, but it is. But here it is not doing that. Here it is specifying the name of the file.
That is because it's in the root directory where the program is. If it is not there in the root directory, wherever that file is there.
Supreet, so what I'm saying is, suppose I were to have a system in which either I don't write the paths, which it is, suppose I were to have a thing in which it is open quote W. So for example, AAA equal to open quote W. Okay.
नहीं, पर आप किसको ओपन करना चाहते हो वो बताओगे ना. ओपन के अंदर आपको पाथ बताना.
अब मैंने स्पेसिफाई कर दी ना ए
नहीं, समझ नहीं रहे आपको. नहीं. Okay. Open. What does open does? Open is a pointer.
Yes.
It points to this is the path to the file. Open it as a write type. And then make it into an object. That object name is called file here, or whatever you want to call it, A, which is to be operated upon. Whatever operations you do,
as a user, my point is, okay, as it is written, there is no specified, the path is understood to be in the local file, local directory, right?
No, not necessary. No. It could be anywhere in the world.
Here.
No,
As
path, the file. Path could be anywhere. I can write this file wherever I want to.
Yeah,
Why should?
As it is written, it is assumed in this form, assumed as a local directory, because I have not mentioned the path.
Yes.
यहाँ पे it is a local. It is in the same directory as the
That is my next question now. Building my argument, which means that there is a thing called, there is a file which in one language I am calling it myfile.txt, in another language I am calling it or file or whatever. Now alternatively, I could have said the following, that I have file equal to open, only tell the mode, it is assumed that it is a file by the name AAA in the local directory, or just specify the path, directory it is, and mode.
Okay, that is not the way Python works.
I know. So I feel that this is an over-specification which need not be Python. That's all I'm saying.
No, this is not over-specification. It has
It is
been
over-specification. I will tell you why it's over-specification. Because I am giving, I mean, you may say, suppose there is, you may put a, already there is no path mentioned, you are assuming it's local directory. Now,
Yes.
after that, why do
not necessarily in the local directory. That is just the path to the file.
अरे सुप्रीत, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि in the first argument, either I should just put.
एक तो मेरे को अब तीन वॉइसेस सुनाई दे रही है पीछे, पता नहीं कौन बैठा हुआ है.
I don't know who it is.
Some voices coming. ये दर्शन पता नहीं कौन सी जगह जाके बैठता है. अबे राजेश्वर जो भी दूर बैठा कर यार, वहाँ पे क्यों बैठता है यार तू, जहाँ पे दूसरा बंदा बोल रहा है पीछे.
नहीं
वो तो दूर है यार वैसे काफी.
राजेश्वर.
मतलब IRC में जाके बैठ जाना, वहाँ पे तो कोई भी नहीं है।
हाँ, चलो कल से करते हैं, ठीक है।
हाँ
यस।
या
क्योंकि आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली, मेरे को पीछे वो आवाज आ रही है, इसलिए मैं ऊंचा बोलना पड़ रहा है। मेरे को ऐसे लगता है फिर तुम लोग को लगा मैं गुस्सा हो गया। गुस्सा नहीं हुआ मैं।
Darshan, you can just switch off your mic for a few seconds, right? Just for your
यस।
discussion.
या
हाँ permission। हाँ अब शेष, अब
हाँ मैं कह रहा हूं कि here there are the following things. One is there is something called file or AAA or whatever. Then it says open, and then there is the first argument. I understand your point that this tells the paths, but already if I just put a file name, it means a file in the local paths. Do you agree with that?
yes.
Okay. Now my point is, then why put another file name? I will use the same name as whatever is equal to AAA.
Yeah, you can put it that, not a problem. It
So
is
suppose I
usually
say- Suppose I say AAA equal to open quote W. Is it okay?
no.
This is what I'm
Open
saying is
quote
a
W.
redundancy.
Okay, wait. No. See, what does open do? Open will you need to open क्या है? Open एक फंक्शन है, उसके अंदर एक स्लॉट है, उसकी फर्स्ट स्लॉट जो है उसको बताना है कि फलानी फाइल जाके खोल दे, और
Yeah,
उसकी
this is-
सेकंड स्लॉट है, उसको
I'm
बताना है
sorry,
कि भाई
Sukhdev, this is what I'm saying. This falani file is already specified when I'm saying file equal to. Why am I putting another name?
नहीं, मैं वही बताता हूँ, रुको, सुनो एक मिनट। जब वो फाइल खोलना है, खोल के उसको फाइल इक्वल टू नहीं, पाइथन डज नॉट टेक, पाइथन उसकी को मॉडिफाई नहीं करेगा, पाइथन उसको एक ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएगा, वो ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम है इक्वल टू जिसको आप दे रहे हो, ओपन के इक्वल को जिसको किया वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट है। एवरीथिंग इन पाइथन इज ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट इज ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, दिस इज व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग। You basically look at objects and
You don't understand the extra advantage as a user.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what is the extra advantages. Suppose you say that it is just a, जो भी फाइल का नाम लिख दिया और उसको ओपन करते, पहले तो बात फाइल का नाम लिख दिया आपने, फाइल उसको, उसके अंदर 10 फाइलें हो सकती है जिसका नाम सेम हो, इसका नाम शेषाद्री.txt, शेषाद्री.pdf, शेषाद्री.jpeg, जो मर्जी टाइप की हो, आप उसको कैसे पता लगेगा कि कौन सी खोलनी है?
So that's what I was asking Darshan. So I have a statement like AAA equal to open 1.txtw, BBB equal to open 1.txt.w. The same argument in the first one.
AA is going to open one dot, sorry क्या बोले आप, एक बार दोबारा बोलो।
AAA
हाँ
equal to open
हाँ
1.text, W, whatever.
ठीक है।
Then BBB
हाँ
equal to open
हाँ
again 1.text W.
नहीं तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ा, ये तो वो सेम ही चीज हो गई ना।
नहीं यार, यही मैं, this is exactly what I'm pointing out. This was possible, then I understand your argument. There is no redundancy.
नहीं, अगर उसके अंदर दो फाइलें हैं, शेषाद्री.pdf, शेषाद्री.doc, तो आपके हिसाब से कैसे खोलेंगे उसको?
यार नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि यार देखो, ऑलरेडी ये AAA या BBB से मैंने स्पेसिफिकेशन दे दिया है।
अच्छा, उसके बाद उसके अंदर आप
उसके बाद दोबारा मैं दो नाम क्यों दूंगा उसके लिए, ये मैं कह रहा हूँ।
नहीं तो 1.text तो है ही नहीं ना, एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता, शेषाद्री.text एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो वहां पे आप हैश डालोगे, hash.text।
नो नहीं यार, देखो, no, what Darshan is saying is about creating a file, right?
No, it is opening a file.
No, I thought he's creating a file.
If it is not there, then it creates it. It is already there, it opens it and appends it in the next line.
But here you can see that W is for creating a file, means
No, that
we
is,
are
it is for
creating and then writing a file.
No, wait. W means it is writable. R
Yes,
means
yes.
it is readable. When you open a
Yeah,
file
so
which is
it's
already
permission.
there, it's a permission, read write
Ah.
access. Okay, so it is not creating. It could already be there. You are appending it. Then also you would open with a W flag. So it is basically a flag which tells you whether it is writable or it is readable. So
But let's say this file is not exist, then we can say, no, it is just a creating and then it is writing a file, right?
yeah, if it does not exist, then definitely. That is what I'm
Yes.
trying to tell you. It is a multitude of things which cannot be done by that one dot thing or something. But there is a second thing. Second thing is when it becomes an object, it has certain attributes. Now, since it is it will, whenever you specify, let's say you specified it as file equal to whatever or a equal to whatever, a is now an object. Whenever it is an object, it has a certain, it will have attributes there. It also has information about how, what you can sort of the
Okay.
file handling. Yeah.
So let me ask you this way. Let me put it this way.
Yes. Yes.
What would have been the disadvantage if by default Python were to create the file as a.text? Whatever is the time I am giving in the beginning, for its own consumption, it is doing that dot text. I mean,
Yeah, that is because suppose you have a variable. Okay.
yeah.
If you want it, you do not want it to be saved at the same name, or you may want it कि आपको अगर suppose batch files बनानी है, you have to make file like image 001, image 002, image 003.
Okay.
You want all sorts, so therefore you need objects which can be manipulated. You cannot manipulate a file. You cannot manipulate file names, but you can manipulate objects.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Maybe now we can come to an example that probably I will understand it better than. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah, and then there are all other things like there can be encoding. Suppose you are encoding, a file is encoded in a particular way. Let's say it's encoded in a, so it is, so think of it as a path. It is, the first argument is path, then it is, the second argument is what mode it is open.
Argument of path I am not going to buy because the point is already, so I can understand if a path is given, but I mean, if that's all the argument, then I don't need a file name there. I just need to know a path. I just have to point it to a directory.
That is, so I need to, the command.
You can just write path equal to the path name. You can just write path equal to the path name. That's it. And you can, in wherever he has written open myfile.txt, you can write path there.
That is path. That is what I'm telling you. It is variable. It's a string.
Need not give any file name.
No, it will actually take the whole path itself and it will refer to that file.
But path तो बताना है ना. You need to store path in a string.
यार मैं path तो बताना है. I am not contesting why that content drive is there. But after that content drive, can't it by default take the file name as file में जो है AAA? That's what I'm saying.
नहीं वही वो create वही मैं बता रहा हूँ. वहाँ पे create नहीं कर रहे, आप open कर रहे हो. वो वहाँ पे file already है. There are all sorts of different instances. There's not just one instance कि सब आपको सिर्फ एक create करनी है उसी root directory में, तो वो ऐसे कर दो. We have to take care of many things ना. इसलिए.
Just 1 minute. Hello. मोबाइल नंबर. अच्छा मैं भी बताता हूँ. रुक जाओ 5 मिनट रुक जाओ. Yes.
Okay, so basically this is the way to work for in general. मतलब कहीं पे भी आप path, कहीं पे भी file है, उसको या तो open करना है या कहीं और बनाना है आपको. तो this is the generic way that you, जैसे C में भी होता है, there is F open, F close. Okay, that's the same thing. There also these are called pointers. ये को function नहीं बोलते, इनको pointers बोलते हैं.
ठीक है. Okay, I don't know. Okay, fine. Maybe there is something I really need. I don't know.
Okay, so there's F open and F close. So these are pointers which will open them up. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so next, let's say we have 1D array and we want to save in a text file. Then first, then we can define. Okay, first we define a array. Then in the same way,
By the way, Shesh, there are multiple ways of doing things in Python. So you may, if you want a shortcut, there is another one. There is something called load text.
that we will discuss with just a while. Yes. So we can save any array like this one in a text file like this one. So for example, the file. So here you can see.
Darshan,
Yes, yes.
this A underscore file
Hmm.
and this A, are they just coincidence that they are similar, or there is a, I mean,
Okay,
has to
this okay. This A underscore file is a path, yeah, a variable for the
I
file text,
understand.
and
When you have for
A,
element in A,
A is a array, says element in the array. You can see. We
you have
define.
called an array there. Yeah, you put B because the point is, otherwise I thought there is a relationship between A in A file and in this A.
No, no, says yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Acha, okay.
Okay. And okay, there is some shortcut for this for the same job like this one. So this is a single line command. I mean, we can okay. We will use this kind of command in the future for our further program. I think you are getting this one, right? Yes. Okay. So first, let me show you that how the output of this file in the same way. Okay. Similarly, we can save the two array in a single text file like this one. Let's see this one. So here you can see that the first row is for 1, 2, 3, A and B. Okay.
I see. Okay.
Okay. So for example, let's say we want to print like a column wise. Okay. So for this one, you have to just take a transpose of this one.
Oh, in MATLAB it is A equal to A prime or something, you know?
Yes, here you can see.
Okay.
Okay. So so now we can also modify. Also, we can use some keyword for this one to print a nice way like this one. Integer type. Okay. So here you can see. And also in the text file, we can also add some header or footer like this one. Okay, so basically this header or footer we will use that we have to write some sort summary for this data. Na? For example, this one is X and this one is Y. And for
Oh,
this
so it automatically comments it.
yes, yes. So this is very important command. I think you are getting the point about this one that we will use frequently in the next session. Okay. And also instead of w, if okay, in the w we are just rewriting some input for given text file, right? So for example, let's say if I define the x instead of w, that means this will x will create a new file, but if this file is exist already, then it will give an error. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, let's say I define f is equal to
वो ये A और W में फर्क क्या है यार? अच्छा, W lower.
W we can write it over, yes, yes. But in the A, it will be there. So here you can see, na, if I define the file.txt, that it is just saying that file already exists. So on the left panel, you can see. Similarly, let's say A, B, C, then it will work. Means once you created a file using X, that means we cannot overwrite or rewrite in the text file.
Now, suppose you have a file which already exists and you use a command, what will happen?
Okay, it will also, I think, yes, yes. Let me. इसमें एरर आना चाहिए था ना.
अगर एरर अगर आ गया तो फिर एक्स और ए के बीच में क्या फर्क रह गया?
एक से, yes.
Darshan, A to append है ना, it will just make changes if the file exists or not. I mean, irrespective, I think.
But it is saying na, if the specified file does not exist, but file.txt is already exist, na, but still it is working.
I think it should work. It should work because append it does changes in a file. So if you have a file which already exists, you want to increase the number of elements or make some changes. You can use append.
Now then, what is difference between A and W? Okay, says I also yes. Okay, it says in the W, I think it will overwrite. First it will delete all the content of the file, and then it will
Okay.
Okay.
yes. In the app,
A
it
will continue at the last line.
yes. Thanks. Yes.
So A is like coalition government, no? अगर two are to the other, no?
Okay, so I think all are getting the point that how we can define a text file and also we can write. So okay, so next is how to read a file. Okay, similar in the same way, just use the open. So instead of write, we have to just write the read, and also we have to write R for the read. Okay.
What is this thing about f dot read? I mean, why not print f?
Sorry, says.
Why not print f? I mean, again, my same question. This file is being read already. That will is specified by R. Now, whatever
Yes.
is the file just has to print it. So why this read?
What has been read? So you need read. F is a point. F is an object which is pointing to this file. Now the attribute is read.
No. I mean, the question is, whatever be the attribute, I want to print it, that's all. How does it matter what is the attribute?
ओपन ने क्या किया, पॉइंट कर दिया F को कि ये फाइल है,
ठीक है,
उसके बाद अब F ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट के जो है नेक्स्ट थिंग इज यू वांट टू रीड दिस फाइल. व्हाट यू वांट टू डू विद दिस फाइल? यू वांट टू रीड इट. F dot read.
No, I already read it. Now I want to
No,
print
you
it.
have not.
No, so his question is that why we do need this one R and also read 2 times, right? Says.
No. That is just a pointer. You have not read it. You have not brought it into memory. You have just pointed it towards it.
Okay, tell me something. This is there a one-to-one correspondence between R and read?
No, read R is only readable. Whereas even if you open it with W, you can still read it. R means only readable. W means it is writable. Readable as well as writable.
Okay. What I am asking is, suppose I have print F. You see, basically my question is, whatever object oriented or whatever that is, unless there is an ambiguity, there is no reason to specify it again. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay, you don't want to, suppose this file is very big. It's like 11,000 lines there.
Correct.
You don't want to bring all of it in the memory. You can also read specific lines. So you first need to specify a pointer. Yeah.
Okay. Then I understand.
Okay. And in the short way, we can also read the text using the log.txt. So here you can see like this one we can read. Okay. Okay. So let's see. I just want to read the first column of a given this text file. Then I have to. Okay. So for this one, we have to use like this one. There is some keyword for this low text that means.
But I have not specified permission here then.
Yes.
I mean, I am not specifying permission.
No, says it. Okay, it will just this content of this file will automatically store in the variable f, and using the f we can print any row or column like this one. So there is no need to specify the read, write, or anything.
Is basically loading. It is doing two things. It is bringing the contents and making an array. So f here is now an array.
Yes.
Load text, what it does it loads the file and makes it into a numpy array object f.
The read write permission will be same as what it was before. Is that what you mean?
This is only reading. There's no writing here. You just
This is only reading. Yes.
फाइल के अंदर जो भी है उसको उठा के array में डाल दो.
Okay.
Okay. So finally, let's say we want to delete a text file, then we have to import OS. And just specify the file name. So it's just deleted from here.
I see.
Yes. Okay, so that's all for this today's session. Yes, in the next session we are going to start the matplot. This is again very important, and in the today's session these two commands are very important. The first one is to read the data using the load text file, and also for the save text file using the save txt. Okay, only these two commands we are going to use in the next session.
It is important that you go back and I think do a question mark on this np.load text because it has lots of arguments. You need to be careful.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, boss. Thank you.
Okay.